I got my concussion in 8th grade. I was like 14 years old and at a wrestling practice. I was going in for an attack on his legs and ended up hitting my back of my head on my partner's chin. And I didn't really show any symptoms that night, just like regular practice. Went home, ate some dinner, everything was going good. And then the next morning when I woke up getting ready for school, I couldn't figure out, what to wear and just like feeling off, like really frustrated. And kind of just sit in my room and my mom comes in and get me like, come on, get ready for school. And I just remember like sitting down, like crying, couldn't figure out what to wear. Like I said, just being frustrated. And my mom was like, it was my second concussion, so she knew I'd probably hit my head on something or, set it off again. So she's like, took me into the doctors and so they sent us to the specialist and ran some, a couple of tests and scans and MRIs and CAT scan or whatever. And they're like, concussion, because I guess they could take up to 48 hours for symptoms to set in. So